Today we're gonna open Playmobil Advent Calendar. We just got an awesome package from Playmobil, and this was one of the playset that we got. And Sophie really wanted to open this Advent Calendar, so today we're gonna open it. There's 93 pieces in this set. That's a lot, huh, Sophie?
Yeah.
This is Sophie's first Advent Calendar from Playmobil, so we are so excited to open this. Here's the Advent Calendar. There's number 1 all the way to number 24. And we also got backdrops to set up our little Christmas party. Before we unbox this, make sure you guys subscribe to Sophie's Playday down below. All right. Okay, where's number 1, Sophie?
Here.
Right there. Ooh, there's the door. Okay, there you go.
Here's the
Ooh.
little girl.
Here's our doll. She already has a dress on, but she also came with this big giant gown that we can put on her. And she comes with a tiny teddy bear. Now we gotta find number 2.
2.
There it is. I'm gonna pull it forward. There you go.
A little dog.
Aw, she has her pet.
It's so cute.
And here's the puppy. Aw, he's hungry. Gotta eat up, eat up.
I found number 3.
Ooh, it's a big door. Double doors.
Table.
What's that? Ooh, nice. We need a table for our house.
And here's the table.
Ooh, I love the purple and the snowflake design.
Here's number 4. Here's the plates.
Ooh, nice. Now we can set our dining table. It looks awesome. And there's number 5. Ooh,
chairs.
Yes, we need chairs for that table. Number 6.
Oh my god.
Wow, what's that?
It's a Christmas tree.
Ooh, nice. And there's our Christmas tree. Now we need to look for number 7. Oh, here it is.
Present. A surprise.
There's a present. It's a little doll. Awesome present.
I can match with this.
Oh, it does. One's purple, one's pink. Number 8. What is that?
More chairs.
Yay, more chairs because we have 4 table settings and only 2 chairs. Next is number 9.
Here's the doll we have.
What's that?
Food.
Yay, because we need food. Is that turkey? They're going to have turkey for dinner. Yum.
That's good.
Number 10. What's that? We have more pets?
There's a cat.
We're going to put the pet right there by the Christmas tree. Awesome. Number 11 right here. What's that? Is it a
The
brother?
man.
Oh, it's a little boy.
Yeah, he is.
He looks awesome with that whistle. Where do you want to put him? Right next to the girl?
Yeah.
All right. Number 12. It's right here.
Oh, there's
It's a sled. Number 13.
It's lights.
It's just decorations. I thought it was ice cube, but those are little crystal for the vase. Number 14 right here. More presents. And here's number 15. Oh, it's a table with candlesticks. Number 16 right there.
It's a man.
Oh, it's the dad maybe? 17 right here.
A violin.
Oh, I think that's the dad's instrument for 18.
Hey, it's the violin. It's for the violin.
Oh, okay. Number 19. Ooh, what's that? More presents? Yeah, looks like
The
more
book.
presents. Yeah, it's another Christmas present. So I think that jewelry necklace here was for the mom, and the teddy bear in that pink box was the daughters. Number 20. Okay, there you go. What's that?
It's the parrot.
Oh, yay! Ooh, it comes with a parrot stand. Ooh, nice. $21.
A little teddy bear.
Ooh, it's a table and a teddy bear. Where do you want to put it? Let's put it by the little girl. And we're almost done. Number 22.
A little slide for that.
Oh, some skis. And number 23, all the way up here.
Another present?
Ooh. I think that's for the brother, maybe. Oh, it's a boat for the brother. It's a toy boat. All right, let's wrap it up for him.
It's the mom.
That's right, the mom. There she is. Did we get everything?
Yeah.
Yes, everything is unboxed. Ooh, she has a big gown. Let's put the gown on. I already put the gown on the little girl. Here's the mom's outfit. She has a beautiful white gown on with purple details. So the mom came with this piece right here. It looks something like this. And you just attach it to the bottom of the dress. And then she can spin. Oh, she's twirling, Sophie, look. She's dancing and she's twirling. That's cool. Here's the little girl. She's dancing and twirling. And here is our Christmas dinner party. We have the dad and the little boy playing a violin and a flute. Back here is our little parrot. And we have our Christmas trees with some present underneath. All right, let's put everyone by the dinner table so they can eat their turkey. There's mommy and daddy. Here's brother. And there's our happy family. About to carve some turkey. Yum, yum, yum. This ends our video, friends. If you liked it, make sure you give Sophie a
thumbs up, subscribe to Sophie's Playdate.
Again, we would like to thank Playmobil for sending us this awesome advent calendar. We love it. Thank you so much. All right, friends, we'll see you guys next time. Bye.